Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be doing something fun. I'm going to be decorating my second house. I know
It's
the
a
other
lie.
one.
It's a lie. It's a lie, mom.
Okay guys, this is my second room. Come in. I didn't want to show you guys. I showed you guys the other one because I wasn't comfortable, but now that I'm comfortable to show you guys my main room, let's jump right into the video, okay? Hello. See ya. We have the washroom. There's a door, or this is the door for the entrance, the room entrance, and the washroom as well. Oh hi babies. So guys, this is what the shelf looks like emptied, and we are going to be filling them up, and we're not doing anything for the TV stand yet and the TV. So guys, we're using these shelves that I got from dollar store. We're going to use it over here to decorate it. Just gonna place it like that. I'm going to be using this Bohemian decor. I got it from Amazon, and that would be the statement for the headboard. Okay. So guys, on to the next thing, which is the bed. We are going to change this bedding. So for beddings, we are using green, and this is the brand. It's from Amazon. It's silk material that we are doing, guys. So I'm going for silk. So guys, I will be using this throw pillow. So guys, I'm using this throw pillow that no, the brand is called Luxurious Stroke Pillow, blah blah blah. Got it from Amazon, and I'm just going to open it up. So this is a stone. And so guys, I got this slab. It's a slab holder. It is supposed to, from Amazon. It is supposed to hold some things. Well, I don't know what it's given, but it's so great. Let's see. Let me put some in the front on top. I'm going to put this plant, and I'm going to go over here. So guys, I got this for the bathtub. It's from Amazon. It came in this packaging as well. I linked everything. So this is just the stick-on for your soap, shampoo, and everything dispenser. So come. And this is just, maybe you guys can see this, but this is the glue, just taking it up. That's what it looks like. That's cute. And of course, the next thing is our soap dispensers, and this is from Amazon. And this will boil up. And they're all labeled, so I try to get. Okay, this is actually gray. That's gray. So I try to get matching sets. And so guys, I have this towels I got. They came in 3 sets. I already put one over here. I am going to put one over here. Like so, I don't know if you guys can see it. So guys, for the floor, we're going to be using mats. Of course, they are from Dollar Store. I don't know, I keep saying we, it's just me. I mean, the team of the washroom is great, so we're just going to follow. I mean, I'm hoping this won't work because it was kind of hard to pick. We didn't have anything nice that way. I wasn't trying to spend much. Remember, this is a budget friendly mini makeover. So guys, we're done with the washroom. Are you ready to see the final look? Come in. So guys, I took out the decor here because it wasn't given. So I ran to grab something else that I think looks amazing. So guys, another thing I changed in the room is this plant here from Home Sense as well. And I think I need to put that properly, but this is what it looks like. I'll bring it down a little. So I also changed the throw blanket and I'm putting this one instead. The other one was not giving what it was supposed to give. So I'm going with this. So guys, we are done. How crazy is it that I'm also wearing green? Like, what? Anyways, come take a look. I'm excited. This was a very budget-friendly transformation. Like when I mean cheap, it had to be cheap, or we wanted it to be cheap. So I think I did okay. I think I did good.